Welcome back to KM Webverse. This is Kashif Mahmood. In this video, I will tell you how you can remove search icon from your Shopify Horizon theme. If you click on the search icon, you see a search bar over here like this. So if you want to completely remove this feature and the icon from your Shopify store while using the Horizon theme, then this video is for you. So first of all, you will have to go to your dashboard and here you will have to go to online store. So here I have only one theme, so I will click on customize. Now here you can see the search icon. When you will click on this header, you will see that the header customization is open. If you don't see that, you can just click on header over here, and here you can see that the customization settings are opened. And here you can see search icon. You can turn it off if you want. If you want to change its position or want to change the row, then you can also do that. To turn it off, you just need to close this toggle and you can click on save. Now go back to the store and click on refresh. So here you can see that the search icon is now removed. So that's how you can remove it. And if you have any question, do let me know in the comment section. If you need any help, you can also contact me. My contact details are provided in the description of the video. Like this video and subscribe to my channel for more related videos. See you next time.